Hey everybody, I wanted to introduce you to Dr. Livingston. He is a local Delray chiropractor, has many years in the field, and he's a guy that helps take care of my body.
And decompress your spine.
Yeah, what are some of the common injuries that you see with some of the athletes that come in that do weightlifting and bodybuilding?
Tendonitis, bursitis, and herniated disc.
What about today? What are we gonna do? What's a good solution finder for people that are already going through these problems?
Well, specifically for you, you have compression of your C5 nerve root, which goes down right through here, which the distribution with you is right through here, causing all these issues in your area. Plus you have a little bit of bursitis, tendonitis in the shoulder from doing some of those.
I've been doing a lot of squats and hack squats and military press, everything basically you told me not to do.
We got you on a spinal decompression machine, Spine Med, which decompressed your C5 today. And we worked the nerve root problem and the disc issue, and now we're going to work the other side, the nerve issue and the muscle issue, which is right through here. And I'm going to get my elbow on there, work it with vibration, and get that muscle to